Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So on today's video I'm gonna show you how you can create a rebound, swing and blur shake effect for your videos on CapCut. So here you need to prepare your clips. Then click on the transition box, click on blur and then select the hexagonal blur, then adjust it for 0.3 seconds. Then after that, apply it to all. Click on a check icon and then click on the first clip, go to animation in and select the rock vertically animation. Okay, this one. Then adjust it also for 0.3 seconds and do this for all of your clips. Okay, I'm going to get back to you when I do it for all of the clips. Okay, I've already done the rock vertically animation for all of the clips. Just click on the check icon and then just go to the video effects. Okay, click on the nightclub and choose the rebound swing. Okay, click on the check icon, then adjust the rebound swing until the end of the clips like this. And here is the final result. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and also click on thanks below. Bye.